issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Warwick County and southwestern Indiana, northern Vanderburgh County and southwestern Indiana, southeastern Gibson County and southwestern Indiana, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Poseville, or 12 miles southwest of Fort Branch, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Boonville, Chandler, Hobstadt, Darmstadt, Linville, and Albertville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 12 and 24. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 18 and 44. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Vanderburgh, and Warwick.